Hello viewers, how are you? In this channel, I tell you daily international affairs, and today's 2 July 2021, and today's international affairs. Mostly, I inform you three affairs, and first is Donald Rumsfeld died news. This is Donald Rumsfeld. You see here. Donald Rumsfeld, Republican power broker, controversial defense secretary and architect of the Iraq War, died Tuesday, 29 June 2021, days before his 89th birthday. The cause of Rumsfeld's death was multiple myeloma, according to his spokesman Keith Arbach. President George W. Bush selected Rumsfeld for his second stint as Pentagon chief in 2021. Rumsfeld vowed to shake up the military bureaucracy, seeking to make it leaner and more agile. The September 11 terror attacks changed everything. Rumsfeld oversaw the Pentagon responses and its initial attack on Al-Qaeda bases in Afghanistan with stunning speed. US commandos and airstrikes toppled the Taliban from power and a democratically elected government was established. In 2023, US forces invaded Iraq to prevent Saddam from launching attacks with weapons of mass destruction. No such weapons were found, and the mismanagement American occupation led to a guerrilla war and sectarian violence. China is officially malaria-free, said by World Health Organization. The World Health Organization (WHO) has declared China malaria-free after a 70-year-old effort to wipe it out. China used to report 30 million cases a year during the 1940s. Since then, eradication efforts have driven down case numbers. The country used various methods to break the cycle of transmission of the parasite via mosquitoes. The WHO said the country had now gone 4 years without registering a case, giving it malaria-free certification. Beijing is arranging celebration for the 100th anniversary of its ruling Communist Party CCP this week and hailed the certification as a great achievement for China's human rights cause. Global Cybersecurity Index 2020. The United Nations International Telecommunication Union (ITU) published its 2020 Global Cybersecurity Index on Tuesday, 29 June 2021, and listed the US first in overall ranking, followed by a tie for second place tie between the UK and Saudi Arabia. The index ranks nations using 82 questions developed by a panel of experts. ITU members are asked to nominate a person to participate in process, and the organization conducts desk research on nations that chose not to play. All ITU members are then ranked on a 100-point scale. The higher the rank, the more committed the country is to cybersecurity defense. Essentially, it's a score on how secure a nation is, computer-wise, though. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for daily updates.